Hey, if you're sitting at your office desk right now, you might want to move a little close because in 2026, there are AI tools that literally do entire 9 to 5 jobs solo, and most people have no idea. Stick around because number 4 is the most disruptive one yet, and barely anyone is actually using it right. Welcome back to Mickey Money AI. I'm Mickey, a full-time AI tool researcher, side income experimenter, and your smart friend who's always one step ahead on the use AI make money game. On this channel, I break down the real tools and methods to stay ahead, escape the boring grind, and actually earn using the latest AI tech. So if you want to work less and earn more, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into 11 AI platforms that could replace a human worker and let you be the one making bank instead. Section 1, why AI is eating jobs in 2026 and why it matters. Let's get honest, we're not in 2024 anymore. In 2026, AI can handle not just tasks, but entire job roles. You've seen the headlines. Goldman's 2026 report predicts 310 million jobs globally that could be directly impacted. But here's what no one tells you. This is not about doom or fear. It's about opportunity if you're early. The companies, freelancers, and side hustlers using these tools, they're automating their least favorite work, and some are making $2,000 for $1,000.
Even $10,000 a month off skills they never truly mastered. So I'm not just dropping a list. I'll show real use cases, money numbers, and the easiest ways to use these tools yourself. And trust me, you don't need to be a coder. Let's get into it. I'll count down from 1 to 11 and stick around for number 4. Seriously, insane. Section 2, CopyCraft 3.0, AI content writer, copywriting, blogging, email. If you've ever written blogs, newsletters, ad copy, ebooks, or even resumes, CopyCraft 3.0 just rolled out a new model in February 2026 that's nuts. You drop in a topic, say, 5 easy ways to save money on groceries, and it writes. An SEO blog post, 3 catchy social posts, email, newsletter copy, all at once. Advanced users can train it in your brand style in minutes. No prompt engineering needed. And here's the kicker. Freelancers are charging $100 to $200 per blog post on Upwork, then letting CopyCraft do the heavy lift. One user told me they batched 10 posts in an hour, netting $1,500 in 1 week. It'll format, rewrite, and even generate images, auto-pulled from free stocks. If your job is content, you better believe this is a must-know tool. Section 3, SynthiGen Full AI Video Production Suite. Now, if you think AI is just about text, prepare yourself. SynthiGen launched their 2026 platform in January, and it's already changing YouTube and TikTok. With just an idea, you get a full video script, AI-generated B-roll, no stock site needed, voiceover in your style, even faceless avatars or animated presenters. Creators are using SynthiGen to batch 5, 10, even 20 micro-content videos a day. I talked to a faceless TikTok creator who scaled from $800 per month to over $6,000 per month by letting SynthiGen automate every step. He simply checks the uploads and cashes in on the ad rep. This is no longer science fiction. If your job is video editing, producing, or script writing, this is either your threat or your new site. Section 4. HyperDesk, AI project manager / coordinator. Let's talk knowledge work. HyperDesk made project managers everywhere nervous with their 2026 update. Imagine this. For $39 per month, you get an AI that assigns and tracks project tasks, chases up your team for status updates, monitors deadlines, and reschedules automatically if tasks block the flow, sends real-time Slack / Teams updates, handles client communication via email. I know a solopreneur who runs 3 client businesses. HyperDesk means she spends 10 minutes reviewing her board each day, sends her AI to get status checks, and bills $6,000 per month for project management while she deals with only the hard stuff. No burnout, no nightmarish email chains. If your work is keep track of stuff, this is the wake-up call. Section 5, VoxWorker, AI voice agents for customer service / BPO. Here's the crazy one, number 4. VoxWorker is about to nuke call centers and BPO jobs. It's a fully AI voice solution. You upload your company's scripts and tone, and VoxWorker will handle customer calls in real time, answer questions with human-level back and forth, escalate only if absolutely needed, work 24/7 for $90 per month per seat, a fraction of hiring a human. Here's what people miss. This isn't just for big companies. Freelancers and local business owners are signing up, turning VoxWorker loose on their booking lines, and pocketing the savings, or even selling voice agent services to others. Imagine one person running a 10-seat voice agent agency for $1,000 per month in costs, and charging $4,000 plus to clients in the US and UK. If your 9 to 5 is calls, customer support, or answering phones, this is already eating up that market, and it's quietly being used by by thousands this month. Almost no one outside the SaaS world is even aware. Huge arbitrage right now. Section 6. DesignGenie, automated design suite. Okay, graphic designers, buckle up. DesignGenie is the 2026 evolution of Canva plus Firefly, and it's absurdly easy. You type new logo for retro coffee brand, and it spits out logo concepts, social banners, print-ready flyers, and your chosen color palette within seconds. The advanced stuff. Batch generate design sets for Etsy stores, YouTubers, Shopify hustlers. One seller I know made over $2,700 just last month reselling AI-generated logos on Fiverr and Etsy. And the buyers, they didn't care if it was AI. They wanted it fast and cheap. If you're in graphic design and you're not offering fast AI turnaround, you'll be replaced by someone who is. Back. Section 7. SnapCommerce Pro, Ecom Assist. Anyone in e-commerce knows the headaches. Customer FAQs, price checking, inventory sync, order updates. SnapCommerce Pro solves this in one tap. Released February 2026. Integrates with Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, TikTok Shop. Handles 80% of common support in real time. Auto responds and reorders stop if enabled. Mines reviews for negative trends and alerts you fast. Store owners who switch from human VAs to SnapCommerce are saving over $1,000 per MO in wages. And some are running 5+ side Ecom stores. So I know a 25-year-old in Toronto doing $14,000 per MO net, working just a few hours a week. The edge is in automation. Section 8. Prompt Pilot and more. AI prompt engineering plus final winners. Last on the core list, Prompt Pilot. If you want passive or client income without deep tech skills, this is hot. Prompt Pilot helps you build, test, and sell custom AI prompts. Think tailored chatbots, automation bots, or content pipelines. For clients who want the power of GPT-5, Stable Diffusion, or Sora, but don't know how to prompt. Free plan available. Some prompt engineers are making $5, 10K/month in 2026 just design selling these custom magic lines. Honorable Monsieur. Data-AI replaces spreadsheet monkeys, pulls, cleans, analyzes data for you. Instruct AI, full lesson plan, and online course create. SalesGen, AI-powered sales outreach. Emails, lead research, scripts auto-optimized. LegalMate AI handles simple contracts.
NDAs, onboarding docs for SMBs. Lawyers, take note. Section 9. What should you do now? How to actually profit. Now you might be thinking, Mickey, all this sounds cool, but is my job really at risk? Can I actually make money with this? Here's my straight answer. Yes, absolutely. The threat is real, but the opportunity is bigger if you take action early. Most people wait until the pink slip or until they see 5 coworkers replaced by a cheap subscription. But you're smart. You're watching this in March 2026 before your friend even heard of half these tools. You can use these tools to freelance and stack income quickly. Launch micro businesses like a call agent service, logo drop shop, short form video brand. Or if you're a full-timer, automate your work and get more freedom for side hustles. Best part? Let's be real. You can get up and running in 48 hours, not months. Most of these have free trials, and I've dropped links below if you want to test drive. DM me on Discord if you need a walkthrough, or comment the tool you want a guide on. I always reply to the first 50 comments. Have I missed an AI tool you're using in 2026? Drop it in the comments. And if you want a full, step-by-step beginner to pro series with any of these tools, let me know right now. Next, check out my deep dive on SynthiGen versus human editors. It's linked on screen and in the description. Hit subscribe or you'll miss what's actually coming next. Use AI. Make money. Simple. See you in the next one.